Okay, so this is the hybrid mold that I'm going to start with here. I'm going to go in and lightly mist the entire bath bomb with the Rapunzel mica from Nurture Soap. That did two things. One, it primed the bath bomb because I did not mist this beforehand with rubbing alcohol because I knew I was going to airbrush the entire bomb. And then also I'm going to go in with a darker color to create a shadow. And I didn't want the bath bomb to look like it got a little heavy-handed with the bronzer, if you know what I'm saying. So the whole thing is sparkly versus just where the quote-unquote bronzer would be. And the bronzer color that I'm using is a mix of mocha, copper penny, and Rapunzel mica from Nurture. And then of course the 91% rubbing alcohol. And this black is the Black Pearl from Nurture. Now, when you're painting bath bombs that have relatively small details like this, you want to make sure that you're rubbing the excess paint off of your brush. So you'll see every time I dip my brush in my little container there, I give it a mix because the mica will settle relatively quickly. And then I spin the brush along the side of my cup. That makes sure that it's not overly saturated. Remember that you can always add more paint to the bath bomb, but it's very hard to take it away. Painting bath bombs is something that I do thoroughly enjoy. I just turn on music or an audio book or, you know, some sort of TV show or whatever, and I just zone out and I paint. This bath bomb took me probably about 15 minutes to paint. This is 2 times the normal speed that I would be painting it. So just, you know, be aware that it is relatively time consuming, but if this is something that you enjoy, it can be very fulfilling. And this color is the Neutral Gray from Nurture Soap. This I'm going in just to create a highlight in the sunglasses. Making sure I get around the rim, the internal rim of the sunglasses there. And then I'm going back in with that Black Pearl mica to fill in the rest of the sunglasses. Now you'll notice that I started at the bottom and worked my way up. That way I can ensure that none of the black bled into the gray. So we have that line of demarcation there. And again, just making sure I get the internal rim. And I almost had a major accident with my pinky finger there. I almost knocked over my entire thing of paint. That would have been terrible. And then this color is Mocha from Nurture Soap. And I'm just going in with the mouth. Now before I did this bath bomb set, I never really realized that, I guess, newer emojis, their facial features are not black. I always assumed that they were black. They're actually brown. And these cups that I'm using are just condiment cups. So after I get done, I just close the lid and put them in my drawer. That way I can write the name of the mica that's in the cup on top of the lid. And then the rubbing alcohol doesn't evaporate as fast, so I don't go through as much. And again, that's just a mix with the 91% rubbing alcohol. And this bath bomb is the 3D printed version of the same bath bomb. And I'm going to go in and paint it the exact same way. The only difference between the two bombs is this one, you'll see it has the Saturn ring along the outside, whereas the other one was just a dome, almost like a gumdrop shape, where this one is more of like a pill shape. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and pamper that like button, show it a little love. I do definitely appreciate it, and it helps, the YouTube algorithm show me to more people who may be interested in my videos. These bath bombs are available now at divinegoddesssoaps.com. And if you're interested in getting the bath bomb mold itself, check the description. I do have a discount code as well as an affiliate link over to Chunkadust. I always get tongue-tied on their name, Chunkadust. They were so nice to provide me with that discount code. And of course, I am affiliate with them. And remember to take time to pamper your inner goddess today. Self-care is so important for every her, him, and they. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.